Who's always twice as nice, huh? Is it you? Is it you? Is it all of you? Look, whatever. I'm in love with the AMTL, and I don't care who knows it. I'm Travis, your trusty Hobart Innovation Lab engineer, and today we're looking at what makes our AMTL 2-level commercial dishwasher truly special. Dare I say, lovable. I know in my heart, you're gonna love it too. I mean, just look at everything you can load into this baby. Rated to wash 80 racks per hour, the AMTL gives you the highest throughput of any door-type commercial dishwasher. It's like a beautiful dish room unicorn, combining performance and convenience like no other. Up top, you can run normal cycles to wash all your standard wear, while also running the lower chamber on short cycles to pick up the pace, or on longer cycles to get those tough food soils, all at the same time. The AMTL dramatically increases your wash capacity while delivering the sparkling Hobart Clean that helps ensure food safety and protects your reputation. Wow, just wow. You were terrific today, as always. Well, that's it for this steamy episode. Thanks again for visiting the Hobart Innovation Lab. And until next time, keep it clean. Call me. For more innovations and information, visit hobartclean.com/AMTL.